Want to diagnose a slowdown of your PC? In the Processes tab, clicking CPU sorts all processes on their CPU usage. The one at the top is a process consuming the most CPU. Here are CPU usage values considered normal. When system is idle, CPU usage is mostly less than 10%. While web browsing or running light apps, the CPU usage might go between 10 to 30%. While gaming or running heavy tasks, the CPU usage might go between 40 to 80%. But while video editing or rendering, the CPU usage might go beyond 80% to 100%, especially during export. Note here, if a single app process is stuck at 90 to 100%, it's abnormal and usually indicates runaway app, malware, or background task hogging resources. The common culprits for high CPU usage could be background Windows updates or software installer silently running, multiple tabs on web browsers with heavy sites or extensions, antivirus scan, stuck apps looping endlessly, or background services like indexing, telemetry, or cloud sync services. Here is how we identify a malware from a normal background task. Check if the process or the app name is legitimate. An unknown or a random name can be suspicious. Right-click on it and search online. If the results show malware report, that's a red flag. Again, right-click and open file location. Legitimate apps usually reside in programs files or Windows folders. Malwares hide in odd directories, like this one. Right-click and check the properties for digital signature. Those from unknown publishers or no signature at all may be risky to keep in your PC. If you find a suspicious process in Task Manager, follow these steps. Right-click and end task. Open file location. If it is in odd location, not the path. Scan the folder or your full system using Windows Defender or your antivirus. Quarantine or delete flagged files. Search about it online. If declared malware by multiple sources, treat it so. If it resists removal, boot into safe mode and delete the file manually or let your antivirus handle it.